What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here in the shop and I'm about to cut the grass. I got the lawnmower over here behind me, as you can see. I've got my friend's T495 New Holland here behind me, and I've got some stuff in the yard out here I want to move around. I'm going to show you why a 100 horsepower tractor is exactly what you need to move stuff around your yard. You don't need like a 30 horse like everybody buys. You need like a 100 horse. 130 horse would be better. But anyway, so we're going to go out here, we're going to move some stuff around. And the reason I got this tractor is we're putting a evaporator core in it. The evaporator core has a leak, and I've got it completely removed now. So I'm trying to get out here. It's not even quite daylight yet, as you can see. Before the sun comes up, because by 9 o'clock it's too hot to even be out here. So we're going to get up in here, we're going to move some stuff around, and then I'm going to cut the grass when I get done with that. Alright guys, I got you up here. Hopefully you can see right there, and hopefully you can hear me alright. Go ahead and close the door there. Turn the light bar on so you can see a little better. I know it's a little bit dark. We'll go ahead and bring the lawnmower with us while we're coming. How about that? That's the first thing you need a tractor this big for. You could drive the lawnmower, but that would make way more sense. So we'll just bring it with us while we're going. Hey, that's not even no weight for this tractor. This guy, he picks up two 5x5 round bells, one on each fork at one time. You see, you don't have to worry about the tractor not being maneuverable enough to get around your yard or something like a lot of people think you do, because it's really not that big of a deal. If it gets in your way, you just push it out of the way or run over it, kind of like they do in the logging woods with a skidder. So don't be too concerned with your wife's flowers and stuff, because she'll get over it. I'll push this scrap pile up real quick, and then I got a tree over here I'm going to pick up and put over here with this, and push this stuff up out of the way, get it out of the walking path here. This is my scrap pile I need to haul off. Haven't got around to doing it yet. Old burn barrel that's done rotted. Gonna push it up over there, make a little meter pile. So yeah, don't worry about your old lady's flowers. She won't mind if you run over them, I'm sure. Whatever else gets in the way. If you've got like a deck right there, that's not a big deal either. Just run over the stuff. It don't matter. But we're going to try not to do that. It does take just a little bit longer to get maneuvered around here. But I'm going to move this log and these tires out of the way so that I can cut my grass a little bit better. Oh, I missed it. There, this seat up so I can see a little bit better. A little bit hard to see over the hood of this thing. think that's a little bit better there. There we go. I got it now. Lay it over here in the scrap pile for now. I'm going to cut this up at a later date, use it for firewood. I originally got that thing, was going to make some new trailer boards for my trailer, but that's the only one of them I come up with, so one of them's not going to do me a whole lot of good, so I'm just going to cut it up and make firewood with it. Tires here I'm going to put over there somewhere to get them out of my way so that I can cut the grass. Got one there. I wanted to get more than one. These right here for now till I get time to carry them off. I dispose of these where I get where I buy my new tires at. They charge you for them regardless. I can just carry them back down there. I didn't have them off the last time that I bought tires, and so that's the reason I didn't carry them at that time. They're just kind of all out here in the way. I don't like weed eating around this stuff. Let's see if I can get two of them this time. Oh yeah. Got both of them that time. The air conditioner work is still hot in here, and it's not even the sun's not even shining yet. It's not even daylight hardly. It's still hot in here. By themselves are not all that heavy. I mean, I could roll them, but this here is so much easier that I don't really care to roll them. To be quite honest with you, the ones that's got the steel wheels in them are a little bit heavier. Quite a bit heavier, actually. Got both of them that time, too. Hopefully this is all coming up pretty good on the camera there. It is. My septic tank's right there, right where those tires are laying. So I can't get on top of that or I'll have a big mess. This tractor is 11,000 something pounds. We don't need to get on top of that. Next one I'm gonna have to go at individually here, I believe. See if I can spear that right in the center of that wheel there. Yeah, I got the wheel up in the center of it there. I had to break these down before I carry the tires off on those. Not a big deal, just gotta get her done. Drop that right there. The grass don't grow so much right there. It's right under that pine tree, and so the grass doesn't grow very much there. Well, I moved them out of the darn way with my fork, so I'll have to roll them by hand. Can't really see what I'm doing. That 4430 over there we're going to work on at some point, I suppose, I guess. He's going to get us some parts to work with, or what. I speared that one in the sidewall. That'll work too. Definitely no good. Load all these up next time buy a set of tires and get rid of them down there. Almost to hang on there. There we go. Got it shoved off. Starter up in here with no air conditioning. Keep it so darn hot. Say you can't stay in here long at all, even now that it's cool. The air conditioner broke. This does not work at all. This tractor a decent amount when he first got it. It's a 2014 model, and I operated quite a bit helping him moving hay and stuff when he first got it, just more or less to have something to do more than anything. Didn't have much going on. I went and helped him out and whatnot. Over there for them. Got my fence there. see, picking up small stuff over the hood of these tractors here with the emission stuff and everything. They have to make the hoods taller. It's a little bit harder to see over the hood of it than what it used to be. So a small tractor definitely would work a little better than doing stuff like this, but it is definitely doable with a tractor of this size. As you can see, I have a pretty small area to work with here. It's only about 40 foot from the side of my shop right there on the left to the back of my house right there where my deck is at. So you can still get it done with a 100 horsepower tractor. And the good thing about it is, a tractor of this size is you can do bigger stuff and smaller stuff. It's kind of like a trailer. You know, if you got a big trailer, you can haul small stuff. If you got a small trailer, you can't haul big stuff. So, kind of same thing with the tractor up to a certain extent. So we'll go ahead and cut the lights off, and I'm going to back this thing back in the shed there, and we'll go ahead and cut some grass. Alright guys, that wraps it up. We got everything moved. As you can see right there, there is no more stuff there. I just want to show you guys that you can use a big tractor to move small stuff. It is a little bit overkill. It's a lot overkill actually, but anyway, we got it done because I sold my tractor about 5 years ago. I had a 65 horse tractor that I sold, but anyway, a tractor is a very useful tool. I hope you guys enjoyed the little ride along video I done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.